How to repost a story on Instagram if you're tagged. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can easily repost a story if someone tags you on your Instagram account. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's just jump right in. Go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, before you repost something, you need to make sure that you have allowed people to mention you. So to access that setting, go over to your profile at the bottom right corner and tap on the horizontal lines at the top right. Then you want to scroll down here and find the settings for messages and story replies, and right below that you have tags and mentions. Let's head over there, and then you can see who can tag you. So if you haven't allowed tags, then I suggest you can allow tags from the people that you follow, or you can just allow tags from everyone. And on story mention, you can do the same thing. Go over to messages and story replies, and then from here you can see how people can reach you. Make sure you have turned on the story replies as well. So let's just tap on allow story replies from everyone. Go back here, and from the tags and mention options, you can allow mention from people. So make sure it's not selected, don't allow. You can allow mentions from everyone or just the people that you follow. Once you have done that, go back here, and to see if someone has tagged you, find the notification or the heart icon at the top of your screen. From there, you can see the mentions. So go ahead and see, as you can see under stories about you have two mentions. Tap on it to view all of your mentions. So this one is the first one and this one is the second one. So what I'm going to do is repost the second one. At the bottom, you'll find the option to add to your story. Tap on that and it will take you directly over to the repost page on your story. Now you just need to go ahead and edit it to your liking. So I can just tap on it so that the border goes away, and you can add music if you want. I'll just post it just like so. That's basically it. That's how you repost a story on Instagram if you're tagged in it. If you found that video helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.